When it comes to grooming a Yorkshire Terrier, the difference between a messy coat and a well-groomed one is like night and day. Let's dive into some essential tips for achieving that perfect Yorkie coat. First, let's talk about brushing. Regular brushing is crucial for Yorkies because their long, silky hair can easily become tangled. Aim for at least 3 times a week, but daily brushing is ideal. Use a slicker brush to remove tangles and a bristle brush to smooth everything out. Start from the roots and work your way to the tips, being gentle to avoid pulling on their skin. If you encounter a stubborn knot, don't yank it out. Instead, use a detangling spray to help loosen it up. Now, on to trimming. Keeping your Yorkie's coat neat and tidy is essential, especially around the face and paws. For a clean look, trim the hair around the eyes to prevent it from obstructing their vision. Use blunt-tipped scissors for safety, and always be cautious. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, a professional groomer can help maintain that stylish appearance. Bathing is another key component of grooming. Yorkies should be bathed every 3 to 4 weeks, but if they get particularly dirty or smelly, don't hesitate to give them a quick wash. Use a gentle, dog-specific shampoo to avoid irritating their skin. After the bath, make sure to thoroughly dry their coat, as damp hair can lead to matting and skin issues. A high-velocity dryer can be a game changer, but if you don't have one, a regular towel will do the trick. Just be sure to dry them completely. Now, let's talk products. Invest in a good quality shampoo and conditioner designed for Yorkies. Look for ones that are moisturizing and free of harsh chemicals. A leave-in conditioner can also work wonders for keeping their coats soft and manageable. For brushing, a detangling spray can be your best friend, making the process smoother and more enjoyable for both you and your pup. Maintenance hacks are essential for keeping your Yorkie looking fabulous. Regularly check their ears for dirt and wax buildup, and clean them with a vet-recommended solution. Don't forget about their nails. Keeping them trimmed is vital for their comfort and health. If you're unsure how to do it, ask your vet for a demonstration. Lastly, remember that grooming should be a bonding experience. Make it fun. Use treats and praise to create positive associations with grooming time. This way, your Yorkie will look forward to it instead of dreading it. With these tips, you'll transform your Yorkie from messy to magnificent in no time. Happy grooming!